What is going on, guys? This is Jake with Couble Lighting Power here, and today we are touching on our solar Overland Light. This is going to be a 3,450 lumen light with 3 detachable pods here. You take it off, you can throw it right back on. You do have 5 different settings here, so you have low, medium, and high on the flood, and then you do have a spot and flood max here. Super cool thing about this one is you can charge it through the carry case here, through the plexiglass. What a lot of people will do is they'll throw it in the bed of the truck or the Jeep. They'll just lay that there out in the sun and it'll start charging right away. Cool thing about these pods being taken off, we do have a detachable speaker as well, so you can throw this speaker straight onto the fixture itself. You can move it around however you please. Super cool thing about the Solar Overlander, you do have a 24-volt charging pad on the back with the solar panel. It'll take about 24 hours to charge if it's completely dead. If it's not, you can just charge it through DC here on the bottom. It'll take about 8 hours. Now that we've talked about our Solar Overlander, let's jump into our flagship product here, our balloon light kits. We do have a 60 watt, 150 watt, and 250 watt kit here. They are on tripods with a max height of 6.5 feet. You do get in the kit 3 different attachments. You have a tripod adapter here. Also does come with an eyebolt and a C-clamp for any top-down applications. Inside the box, you will get 2 carry bags, 1 for the tripod and 1 for the fixture. Super cool thing about these, they are 360-degree diffuse lights, so you can stare at it, your eyes won't get fatigued. Outdoors and in the camping elements, late at night when you have a campfire, you can change these to a different Kelvin temperature to be more of a warm tone. Shop all of our portable power and lighting needs at cdouble.com.